I'm from the UK in England. I've been suffering with a fistula for 5 years. I couldn't unfortunately get it sorted in the UK with multiple failed surgeries. For 7 weeks, me and my mum made the journey over to India, and it's absolutely changed my life. I finally got my life back. Even after the first surgery, I was able to go back to the gym after the week, lift my weights continuously. Normally that I would do in England, it would take me 4 months to even be able to lift or do anything again. But here, even after the first sedation and the second sedation, I was back in the gym, being able to walk. I've been in absolutely no pain at all. It's just been a genuinely really good experience. I mean, I want to scream it out to everyone across the world, because so many people are suffering and the right things aren't being done. And I'm so glad that we made the journey to come over here, because I am fistula free after 5 years, and it's the best thing I have ever felt. Like, I finally have my life back, and I literally owe my life to this whole clinic. They've been the best. Not once have I ever felt uncomfortable here. Everyone's made sure that you've been okay. They check up on you all the time and they tell you what's going on. So it's just a continuous help. And even they make sure after the operations you have regular cleans. They make sure that you can also contact them by texting, where I found in the UK it's months before you get seen in another appointment, it's months before you even, maybe years before you even get any other surgery. So here has literally been a godsend, and I really do honestly owe my life to this clinic. So I really have to thank everyone that's helped me here. So thank you.